Soldering tip: how to remove dip package IC from power circuit board. Okay, first set the smartphone here. It's okay. Zoom in. It's okay. And now we can remove. Little I need to zoom out. It's okay. Okay, let's make a tool first for this IC. Need to have a solid copper wire. Okay, this is the 19 AWG wire, solid wire. So again, mark. So again, bend this in this area. 90 degree. So hold. First I need to hold the board. Till that I am just holding the PCB first. Here man, hold, tap. Little wet. First I need to hold the PCB. Hold screw. Difficulties. I'm searching for screw to tighten this PCB on my bench, but fortunately I'm getting this one screw from here to first tighten this. For a little time I need to set the smartphone here for a little time because I'm tightening the screw. It's okay. Let's focus on IC. It's okay. It's done. And now mark to make a tool forever to remove easy the dip package IC from PCB without damaging any print. Just check. Okay, now I need to bend this with Sam. What about? Just check. I need another mark. Bending here. Okay, now just check. Okay. No. can cut, and if you want to don't cut, it's okay. Use the tool. Some more tip I am providing you for better performance. Okay. The tip is that if you have a space inside like this, so provide here a thin wire here, okay, and another one thin wire for this another side. To remove very easy, because on the bottom side we have a micro components. So if you are removing from bottom side, you can damage the PCB and you can remove the components. So I am using this method now, depending on you. And if I remove this successfully, so I am true. And if I not remove successfully, so I need to keep this video in privacy or delete, because I will fail. But let's try. Okay, now what about this micro little wires? Okay, first remove this, set this together. Okay, twist this wire. It's okay. Now provide a conductor. Okay. Provide solder and set your soldering station for this type of IC 420 degrees centigrade. Now I am providing solder to make a heat contact with these pins, to make a contact with this conductor. This is the 19 AWG wire. Okay, now I am providing more solder for another side. So I need to set little this. Okay, provide more solder to make a contact with this four pins. On this side, but I fit the smartphone very nearest, so I cannot use the soldering iron properly. Okay, but we need to just make a contact with this pin, but fortunately I fit the smartphone very nearest or better video recording. Okay, I need to boost my soldering station again. I set for 30 second boost option. Okay, now I am providing heat. It's okay. Now melt all the fins at a time. Make sure all the fins solder is melted. Okay, provide heat like this to be sure about the solder. Hold this in tweezer. Okay, provide heat first here, here, and okay, and now just check the pads. And okay, first I need to clean this to show you the result. Cotton swabs. just check the pads, no any pad damage, and I'm showing you the bottom side components. But first I need to clean this, and for cleaning the pads you need to use the C-type tape. C-type tape, this is the cat tape, you can call this cat tape. Okay, you need to install the C-tape for this. Okay, I installed the C-tape, and I need to use some desoldering wick to clean the pads. Okay, and this is the C-type. Next I need to clean these pads. Cut the use desoldering wick first. Okay, can cut. And more. This is the ground pin G and D, so we need to use more heat. I am creating again the contact with this pin number 5 of UC3845 to make a heat contact again, and I need to receive this method. Okay, and finally I clean. Okay, what about the pads? Just clean. Okay, no any print or damage. Just check the method. I'm drying. Okay, and another, I need to remove the extra solders with C-type tape, the better tape for this operation. Cut this extra. Sorry, my hand is shaking. One is pin 1. Okay, just check. Also clean in hot condition, and easily you can remove the soldering plugs in hot condition like this. Okay. Where can I get the solder wire for cheap? No man, I am using also expensive soldering wire because I am repairing also the expensive devices. It's okay. Now check the bottom side pads. Okay, I'm removing the PCB. What about the bottom side, friends? Just check why I removed this from top side, because we are using here soldering tape like this to melt this and remove. We can damage the pads, and we can remove this RTCT components and feedback components, and after that we can face a lot of difficulties. So this was my method to share with you, and this is the solder. When I solder this, no any print or damage, it will just clean. Okay, I share the method. Just check, no any print or damage, and successfully I removed the IC. Okay. Soldering the base to remove easy next time. Okay. This is the UC3845 pulse wide modulator. This is the modulator, and you can generate 500 kilohertz with this modulator. Next time. And what about to hold the components without bending the fins? I'm providing you a tip. Keep first finger like this, okay, and little you need to hold soldering wire like this, okay, and little solder wire, little solder provide to your soldering tip, and little just for temporary to hold the component, okay, to just hold the component. I'm proper soldering, but just to my hands free. Okay, now solder the fins first. Yeah. I need to boost my this station. That's okay. To 360 to melt the solder properly. And 380. Okay. Now proper solder this pin. Okay. Later I need to use here desoldering wick to receive extra solder. Remove extra solder. Little wet I need to clean. But I need to set this. It's okay. Done. Now just melt. Clean. No any component and no any print or damage. I'm drawing and just check the method to remove the dip packages, ICs, integrated circuits from PCB, from ToolLab PC. You can use this method. It's okay. And finally, I install a base for this IC, and you can check the health of PCB. And if you have no space here on this side, you provide a thin wire like this, so just bend a damaged tweezer. If you have a damaged tweezer, so you need to bend with this degree. This is the good tool to remove the component and provide heat at a time and apply little force and remove with this method if you have not the space. Okay. So see you next time with another type of soldering or desoldering in live stream. I am also providing a tips in live stream because I have not time to record video and edit and upload. If you want to check the soldering desoldering method, you need to check my live streams. Okay. I am also providing a true title bar video. And see you next time. Take care.